Hello, friends. I welcome you to Trance Meditation. This is Awesome SRK. I am a businessman, author, and a happiness coach. Trance Meditation is the feeling, emotions of peace and harmony, and total standstillness of your body. You shall be sitting in a comfortable position, clearing the mind from any worries, focus, breathing, and avoiding distraction. The conscious mind is suppressed to eliminate stress and worries. All pain and sensations disappear and the mind goes blank and body heals. Being in deep trance will allow access to your untapped subconscious mind and intuitions. Very important, please remember, towards the end, I shall not give any commands. Don't open your eyes. Feel the experience, hear the sound, visualization. Feel the experience, hear the sound, visualize the accomplishment of your dreams and goals. Very important, please tell your friends not to disturb. We are practicing trance meditation. So, in case you are disturbed, you might feel some body pain, but that is okay. So, sit in the chair. If no chair, it's okay. Please sit down. Do not take support. Your back has to be free. No knocking, no disturbance, and thank you. This is Trance Meditation by Awesome SRK. Focus on the wall in front of you. Surrender yourself. Focus on the spot on the wall. Focus on the point. See the color of the point. See everything around the point. Keep your neck straight. And now, please close your eyes. Don't take any support on the back. Don't take rest and sit straight. With your eyes closed, focus on the spot, the point, the color, highlight the shadows and everything around. Hear the sound of air touching the body. Hear the sound of breathing now. Focus on the sound of breathing. Focus on breathing going inside your body. Focus on breathing going inside your body and coming out. Hear the sound of everything around you. Feel the touch of air on your body. Feel the touch of clothes on your body. Feel the touch of your body touching the ground. Feel the touch of your feet touching the ground. Now you are able to travel along with the inhale breath inside your body. Go inside your body and with your eyes closed, you can see everything inside your body. Create the picture of two. Create the picture of two times on the screen. Imagine the picture of two times on the screen. Create the picture of one once on the screen. Now focus and hear the sound of your heartbeats. Hear the sound of everything that's going inside your body. You have a light blue color. You have a light of blue color. Put the blue color light on every part of your body and look into your body. The sound of blood flowing inside the body. Sound of cell regenerating. Sound of food processing. Feel the temperature inside your body. Feel the pressure. Feel the texture. Focus on the blue light from top of your head to the bottom of the legs. The blue light has got healing power. Wherever the blue light goes, it heals the pain. Feel the healing. Wherever you want, move the blue light to your muscles, body parts, bones, face, hands, and legs. Feel how much better you are feeling. You are healing, and the pain is gone. All discomfort is going. You are feeling fit and fine. Now you are able to see a 10-storage building in front of you, and all the lights are on. As I count 1 to 10, switch off the lights of each floor. So go on the 10th floor and switch off all the lights. Go on the 9th floor, switch off the lights. Go on the 8th floor, switch off the lights. Go on the 7th floor, switch off the light. Go on the 6th floor, switch off the light. Go on the 5th floor, switch off the light. Go on the 4th floor, switch off the light. 3rd floor, switch off the light. 2nd floor, switch off the light. The 1st floor, switch off all the lights, and now you are relaxed. Just allow yourself and go deep, and be comfortable. You can experience everything going inside your body. Your body is now relaxed. If there is any pain in your body, show the blue color light. The pain is healing. The pain is gone. Just relax and still go deeper and deeper. The muscles on your forehead is deeply relaxed. All muscles are relaxed. The eyes, face, shoulder, neck, body, and the legs are relaxed. You are going deeper, more deep inside your body. The body is pure, fresh, and healthy. You are feeling much better now, and you are in control of your body. The muscle of the entire body is relaxed. Everything is deeply relaxed. Ankle, feet, hips, back, chest. And now go deeper and deeper. Identify a place on your head. Focus on the part of your head that is deeply relaxed. Put focus on your head. Feel the part of your head and relax. Consider the place as a small ball of relaxation and start making the ball larger and larger. Spread the ball and cover more and more area of your head. Enlarge the ball. Slowly and slowly, let the ball cover your entire body. Your full body becomes a part of the ball. Go deeper and deeper and deeper. The body is fully relaxed. You are feeling very comfortable. And now in the heart area, you think about the person you love the most. Think of the person you love the most. How are you feeling? Just feel the love. Think about the person you love the most. Now focus on the feeling on any part of your body where you feel the vibrations. Feel the feelings. Give it a color of your choice: pink, white, blue, red, green, yellow, and create the ball of that color and let the ball become bigger and bigger. Can you feel the temperature? Let your chest area become a part of the ball of heart. Start making it more bigger and bigger to cover the entire body of the same color. See your body in the same color, and on the count of 1 to 10, make it more intense and feel how love feels. Feel the love. Every time you feel, the intensity of the love increases. Make love more intense at the count of 1. Increase the intensity of love. 2, 3. Make it more intense. Go deeper. Make it more intense. 4, 5, 6, 7. Increase the intensity. 8. Increase it more. 9. And this time the highest intensity of love at the count of 10. Enjoy the love and experience. Go deeper and deeper. Feel the love. Feel the experience. All your dreams, goals, desires are now fulfilled. All your health challenges have been resolved. You are now able to overcome all your challenges. All your dreams, goals, desires are fulfilled. And you are feeling on the top of the world. How are you feeling? Your full body is healed. Experience the feeling. of your surrounding. Very slowly move your fingers and toes. Open your eyes when you are comfortable. Gather all the thoughts and feel more and more happy. Take 2 or 3 deep breathing and relax. Take control of yourself and feel happy. What are your experiences? Please do share. Please share your experiences of trance meditation. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.